Here's how to enable voice navigation in Google Maps. If your Google Maps isn't speaking directions out loud while driving, don't worry, let's fix it. First, open Google Maps and start any route. Tap on Start. Now look for the small speaker icon on the screen. If it has a line through it, that means it's muted. Tap on it and switch it to unmuted. If it's still not working, go to your profile icon in the top right. Scroll down and tap on Settings, then tap on Navigation Settings. Here, under Sound and Voice, make sure it's set to unmuted. Also, turn on options like Play over Bluetooth, Play during phone calls, Play audio cues. Now tap on Play Test Audio to check if you can hear the voice. If you still can't hear anything, increase your phone volume and car volume. You can also enable detailed voice guidance for more clear directions. That's it! Your Google Maps voice navigation should now be working perfectly. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech tips.